In market, SLES is available in two different concentrations: 28% gel, 70% paste. 70% paste is economy. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to convert 70% paste into 28% gel. One thing. Another thing, shall we replace SLES gel with SLES paste in our formula, in our process? Is it correct or not? We'll discuss. First of all, let us try to understand how SLES paste is economy. Just imagine 1 kg SLES gel 100 rupees, 1 kg SLES paste 180 rupees. Gel means it is 28% concentration, 28% W by W, weight by weight. That means in 100 grams of gel, 28 grams are active SLES, remaining 72 grams water. That is the meaning. In 100 grams of SLES paste, it is 70% concentration. So in 100 grams, 70 grams are active SLES, remaining 30 grams water. That is the difference. In our process, just imagine we need to use 1 kg gel. So we need to use 280 grams of active SLES. That is the meaning. We need to spend 100 rupees. But here, in 100 grams, 70 grams active SLES available. Just by using 400 grams of paste, we can get 280 grams of active SLES. So now compare 1 kg gel 100 rupees, 400 grams SLES paste 72 rupees. So the profit is 28 rupees. Instead of using 1 kg of SLES gel, suppose if we are using 400 grams of SLES paste, our profit will be 28 rupees. So SLES paste is economic. This is the calculation. There are two steps. First one is calculation, second one is method. We'll discuss. First calculation, it is very simple. 400 grams SLES paste plus 600 grams water is equal to 1 kg SLES gel. That's all. This is the calculation. Method. First let us discuss what is wrong method. This is wrong method. Taking 400 grams of SLES paste, adding 600 ml water, trying to mix well. This is wrong method. We cannot achieve homogeneous medium. We will get some gel-like mass in that water. Wrong approach. The correct approach is taking 600 ml of water, heating to 50 to 60 degree temperature and adding the SLES paste. Mixing well, and here the mixing process, mixing speed, mixing duration, everything is important, so that we will get homogeneous transparent medium SLES gel. If SLES is final product, for some chemical manufacturers, SLES is the selling product, final product. So in such stage, they will add some amount of salt to maintain the viscosity. They will add preservatives also, but it is not required for intermediate processes. And one more thing I like to say, here the process temperature, mixing speed is very important. If temperature goes more than 60 degree, then it will affect the nature of the SLES. If temperature is less than 50 degree or even 45 degree, if mixing is not proper, then we will not get homogeneous medium. Some concentrated spots, fish eyes are possible. So that will cause some harshness on final products, even for the end users. One thing, and one more thing, if not proper mixing, if not proper heating means, if we are using that SLES means, in our final product, whatever it is, liquid detergent or a dishwash gel, we cannot achieve 100% transparent clear medium. For the example, we just purchase a product from market, Surfactant or Arun, we can see 100% transparency, clarity. Okay, so we cannot achieve that type of clarity if proper conversion is not there. 5%, 10% clarity will be missing. There are two answers for this question. Yes, for some people, no, for some other people. We will discuss both. Yes, for some people, for big industries, this is a common practice, purchasing SLES paste, because this is a cost cutting measure, and also transportation, storage, handling, everything will become easy. And also they should have the proper heating facility, proper thermostat facility, they should maintain the temperature, proper mixing facilities, mixing capacity, blenders. So for those people, this is correct approach, purchasing the SLES paste, it is economy. No, for some other people, if they are small scale manufacturers, if they are not having the heating system or not having the proper mixing system, then this process is not advisable, conversion process is not advisable. Even they cannot simply replace SLES gel with SLES paste, because the concentration is different. Of course, mathematically we can replace with correct amount of active material SLES, but dilution factor is different. SLES gel is different dilution, SLES paste is different dilution, so directly we cannot replace. To understand this point, I will tell you an example. Don't do it, just imagine, in one hand I am pouring 5 ml of acid, concentrated acid. In another hand, I am pouring mixture of 5 ml acid in 20 ml water, a solution, acid solution. So in both the hands, mathematically 5 ml acid, 5 ml acid, but I will not feel same amount of itchings on both the hands. Here more itchings, here manageable, because here concentrated, here it is diluted. So the point is, in any formula or in any process, you cannot just remove SLES gel and mathematically calculating the active content, you cannot replace with SLES paste. Excess amount of water should be added with proper methods, storage, mixing and heating methods. Apart from theoretical discussion, let us verify practically in laboratory. For small scale business owners, is it possible to convert SLES paste into SLES gel? Let us verify with a small quantity. As per the calculation, I have taken 20 grams SLES paste and 30 ml water, so that I need to get 50 ml of SLES gel. Let us start the process. As per our discussion, first I will do the wrong method. First I am charging the SLES paste, then I am charging the water, trying to get homogeneous medium. So it is not proper method. The SLES becomes a solid bulky mass, so I am not getting the homogeneous medium. Of course, this is a wrong sequence of addition. Next, I will try in correct sequence. Of course, this is 30 ml hot water, 60-degree temperature. I am charging paste SLES 70%, 20 grams. I am maintaining the temperature by means of double boiling method. Mixing well, Here also, I am not getting homogeneous medium, homogeneous gel. Of course, better than the previous one, but here also, now also, it is not the perfect gel, perfect medium. It may be possible with prolonged mixing, prolonged heating, but it is not a smart work. Now let us discuss the reason. The reason is I am not using the proper heating system as well as blending system, so that I am unable to achieve homogeneous medium. In case of industrial process, they will use proper blender, high speed shear mixer. So the blade itself is having some specific design. So it is possible for them to make SLES paste into SLES gel. So this type of blending system is required. So the point is, for small scale business owners, it is difficult to convert SLES paste into SLES gel without proper system, heating system as well as blending system. So the next question is, instead of converting into gel directly, whether they can use SLES paste in their process. Of course, it is possible with some proper method. First of all, only calculating the active percentage, they should not suppose to replace gel with paste. They need to calculate water content also. First thing. Second thing, in excess amount of water, it is possible to get homogeneous medium, more or less clear, transparent medium. Let us check it practically. I am taking 20 grams of SLES paste. Of course, two. In first one, I am taking 100 ml water dissolving. In second one, I am taking 200 ml water and dissolving. I am mixing well. Now it is white color medium because SLES is a foaming compound. So we will check it out after 24 hours. This is next day. Both 100 ml and 200 ml water. Both are having clear homogeneous medium. So the point is, we can directly incorporate SLES paste in our process without hot condition also with normal blending. I am not getting turbidity. I am getting clear homogeneous medium. But the point is, I have used 20 grams paste in 100 ml water. First one. Suppose if I am using excess paste, 25 grams or 30 grams, maybe slight turbidity is possible. Something like chances of missing clarity or transparency is possible. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in our upcoming videos.